So I'm working on a slope. I'm working with dumped piles of material. Look like they've been done with an excavator because there's a drop off over the edge that's been excavated out, terraced down. There's a pile over there, a pile here, grass, lots and lots of overgrown grass that way, and I don't know what's in that big pile there, but where the vine is, I'm guessing that is a pile of rubble as well. But anyway, this is where the excavator shines. Working with the contours and what have you on a slope. Yeah, it's not easy going, but it does it well. Just thought I'd give you a look at what we're doing here today. Still in Andergrove, nothing's changed. Yeah, got another couple of hours left to go here, maybe 3. I'd say I'll be getting home in the dark. Anyway, enjoy. Well, that's what's this? Season 1, episode 3. That's not supposed to be in there. You never know what you're going to find in the long grass. Could have been a snake. Oh, I was right. Another pile of rubble. At least this hasn't got rocks and wire in it, I guess. You can see the angle. I'll just set yours up in a different area so you can see what's going on. Feel like spiders. I don't. I'm going to set you up on top of them. Big tree stump. Yeah. Perfect spot for the camera. Worked out pretty well for me because I had to get down here and knock this grass down anyway, so I've got a terrace. I'll show you. That's my walk down. We've got a terrace over here to clean up as well. So get this bit in front of me. Much. I'll turn around. That's where I'll walk down. You guys are up there. And then I will turn around and get what I can done out of this lot here. There's a magpie. Hello, magpie. Chasing the critters that I've been digging up.